Welcome to today's video. Today, we will explore one of the most iconic wonders in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge, an essential symbol of San Francisco. With its majestic beauty and special history, the Golden Gate Bridge has become an inseparable part of the city and a pride of the United States. The Golden Gate Bridge was built in a very special context. In the 1930s, San Francisco faced a major problem: how to connect the city with nearby areas like Marin County. Before, transportation relied mainly on ferries, but with growing demand, the construction of a bridge across the San Francisco Bay became urgent. The Golden Gate Bridge project was initiated by engineer Joseph Strauss, who had a timeless vision. However, not everyone believed that the project was feasible. Many thought building such a long bridge was impossible, especially when facing the powerful waves and thick fog of the San Francisco Bay. Despite facing many challenges and criticism, in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge was officially completed, marking a milestone in the history of engineering and transportation infrastructure. The Golden Gate Bridge is not just a simple transportation project, but a design masterpiece. Built in the suspension bridge style, the bridge is about 2.7 kilometers long and 227 meters high from the water's surface. One of the factors that make the Golden Gate Bridge so special is its color, the distinctive orange-red, called International Orange. This color not only helps the bridge stand out in the frequent fog that envelopes the San Francisco Bay, but it also brings a wonderful beauty, making the bridge an attractive destination for tourists from all over the world. The engineers chose this color because it not only stands out but also creates a perfect contrast with the surrounding landscape, especially when the bridge fades into the fog or when sunlight reflects off the sea. One of the remarkable features of the Golden Gate Bridge is its superior technical design. Although the bridge is built from steel, the main steel suspension cables have a total length of up to 129,000 meters, equivalent to about 3 times the Earth's circumference. These cables, each with a diameter of 2.5 centimeters, form a solid structure that helps the bridge withstand pressure from strong winds and waves. The Golden Gate Bridge has 2 main towers, each 227 meters high, made of concrete and steel. The bridge towers not only support the structure but also create a symbol of endurance and strength. From a distance, these towers seem to stretch into the sky, creating a very impressive image. With its location in an area with a unique climate and natural disasters like earthquakes, the Golden Gate Bridge was designed to withstand harsh conditions. Engineers calculated to ensure that the bridge could endure winds of up to 160 kilometers per hour and withstand large earthquakes. The shock-absorbing system and flexible structure help the bridge not only remain firm but also flexible when facing strong impacts. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the longest suspension bridges in the world. Before the construction of other bridges, the Golden Gate Bridge held the title of the longest suspension bridge until 1964. This impressive size has maintained the bridge's prominent position, and subsequent bridge projects have been built under the influence of the Golden Gate Bridge's engineering and design. With a total length of 2,737 meters, the Golden Gate Bridge is not just a transportation project, but a symbol of creativity in engineering and construction. The Golden Gate Bridge is not only a symbol of San Francisco but also a technical marvel. Here are some impressive numbers to help you visualize the scale of this bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is approximately 2,737 meters, 2.7 kilometers, long, connecting the city of San Francisco with Marin County. With this length, it has become one of the longest suspension bridges in the world and continues to hold a prominent position today. The 2 main towers of the Golden Gate Bridge are 227 meters high from the water's surface, equivalent to a 70-story building. These towers not only support the structure but also create a distinctive image of the bridge, making it easily recognizable from any angle. The Golden Gate Bridge uses about 129,000 meters of steel wire to form the sturdy suspension cables, which is equivalent to about 3 times the Earth's circumference. Each of these cables has a diameter of about 2.5 centimeters and plays an important role in maintaining the bridge's stability and strength, allowing it to withstand strong winds and pressure from other natural forces. In total, the Golden Gate Bridge uses over 80,000 tons of steel, a huge amount that allows the bridge to withstand its own weight as well as the millions of vehicles passing over it every day. The bridge has two main traffic lanes, and there are a total of about 600,000 deck planks installed on the surface of the bridge, providing a solid surface for vehicles. Each plank is tightly fastened with screws and made of high-strength materials. Each year, the Golden Gate Bridge serves about 40 million vehicle crossings. With this traffic volume, the bridge is an important transportation route not only for San Francisco but also for the entire San Francisco Bay Area. The Golden Gate Bridge project began in 1933 and was completed after 4 years in 1937, a remarkably fast construction rate compared to other massive projects of that time, especially considering the technical challenges and dangerous working conditions. With a total construction cost of about $35 million, equivalent to about $500 million in today's value, the Golden Gate Bridge overcame many financial and technical challenges to become one of the most outstanding projects of the 20th century. The Golden Gate Bridge was designed to withstand earthquakes of magnitude 8.0 on the Richter scale. This is one of the crucial factors that have helped the bridge stand strong over the years and through natural disasters. Every year, more than 10 million people visit the Golden Gate Bridge, making it one of the most famous attractions in the United States. Not only is it a transportation project, but the Golden Gate Bridge has become an integral part of the history and culture of San Francisco. Today, the Golden Gate Bridge is not only an important transportation project but also one of the prominent symbols of the city of San Francisco and of the United States. The bridge not only connects regions but also attracts millions of tourists from around the world to admire its beauty. Although San Francisco now has a modern transportation network with many other bridges, the Golden Gate Bridge still plays an essential role in connecting the city with nearby areas like Marin County and Northern California. Each day, about 100,000 vehicles cross the bridge, forming an essential part of the local people's daily lives. The Golden Gate Bridge has become one of San Francisco's most famous tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors every year. People come not only to admire the bridge from afar but also to participate in activities such as walking or cycling across it. These tourists are not only people who appreciate the beauty of the bridge but also those who want to learn about the history and significance of the bridge in the development of San Francisco. At night, the Golden Gate Bridge takes on an entirely different kind of beauty. The lights illuminating the bridge and reflecting on the bay create a mysterious and romantic landscape. This is one of the iconic images that every visitor wants to capture. Particularly, the bridge is illuminated by thousands of LED lights, which help save energy while still maintaining its magical beauty. The Golden Gate Bridge is not only a transportation bridge but also a cultural center. Many large events such as running competitions, festivals, and extreme sports events are held around the bridge area, providing opportunities for both locals and tourists to experience the bridge in new ways. The bridge is also the venue for activities such as walking across it, cycling, or even participating in sports programs like marathons. Despite having been more than 80 years since its completion, the Golden Gate Bridge is still well maintained to ensure its safety and beauty. The maintenance of the bridge requires a team of professional engineers and workers to repaint the bridge, inspect the structural components, and replace any damaged parts to ensure the bridge remains in the best condition. The Golden Gate Bridge has become a global cultural icon. It has appeared in countless movies, TV shows, and advertising campaigns, becoming an unmistakable symbolic image. From famous films like Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo to scenes in Hollywood movies, the Golden Gate Bridge always appears as a symbol of San Francisco, freedom, and creativity. Today, San Francisco and the California government are making continuous efforts to protect the environment and improve air quality. Part of this strategy involves using environmentally friendly technologies to maintain the bridge. Bridge renovation projects, including the use of lead-free paint and environmentally safe maintenance methods, ensure that the Golden Gate Bridge will continue to be a lasting symbol of sustainability. The Golden Gate Bridge is not just a bridge, it is a part of history, a symbol of endurance and unceasing creativity. With its unmistakable beauty and deep meaning, the Golden Gate Bridge will forever be a bright point, connecting the past and the future of San Francisco and the world. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the story of the Golden Gate Bridge, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the upcoming videos.